Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by holding two FC25 props in your strong hand and one in the other. This balances weight and feel. Start with single, vertical tosses to a consistent target. You train accurate arcs. Once you've established a steady height, move to alternating tosses at shoulder rhythm. Make sure to keep wrists loose and eyes on the peak of each throw so your hands land where the next catch will be. This sets the foundation for the cascade. You now add rhythm. Practice two-prop exchanges until each hand feels comfortable releasing and receiving. Once done, introduce the third FC25 prop slowly, throw from the dominant hand first, and follow the established arc. Use a metronome to lock timing and avoid rushing. This enforces even intervals between throws. Make sure to keep throws at the same height and slightly in front of your body so each catch naturally lines up with the next release. You finish routines by catching all FC25 props and lowering them deliberately. This trains clean endings. If you struggle, check the why. Low throws cause dropped patterns, so raise the peak by about 10 to 20 centimeters and focus on release accuracy. If props collide, slow the tempo and exaggerate each arc until spacing is clean. Make sure to practice short, focused sets of 5 minutes. Consistent repetition fixes rhythm problems faster than long.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.